There is only one way to the Father. There is only one way to God. Not two ways, not three ways, not your good works, not the name of the church, not the name of the denomination you're into, but through having a personal relationship with Jesus Christ and believing that he died for you on the cross, believing that through the shedding of his blood, it can wash away your sins, believing that he came from the Father, believing when he said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man will go to the Father but by him, through Jesus. Believing that only through Jesus you can then cross from being in the darkness into light. You will be with the Father. So my encouragement to you today is believe in Jesus. Believe in what he did for you, that he is the only way and there is no other way but Jesus Christ.